and high pressure. Behavior Cl2 and online analyzer is there or not there? Or permeate high dosing.
Water control. Safety shower near to
It is there.
It is there. It is there.
There. I have seen. Pakka.
because
Yeah. That is must. So
need to be there. Problem.
नहीं है क्या online analyzer? Do you need online analyzer there? Do you need there?
In this MBR, I think
What?
chlorine analyzer in MBR. It is not required.
Yeah, but how you measure? No. Okay, that based on the batch type
It is
calculation.
a batch.
Batch type
And you have lab analysis. And you have lab analysis also, right? Lab analysis.
No, it is not required.
Batch.
That is injected at discharge of the permeate point.
How much quantity they need?
Okay, fine. So more flow, I agree. So that we have taken care. The reverse flow, the same thing, pump discharge. We have the check valve. Yeah, we don't have a check valve pump discharge.
The PT pump is not required.
Okay, so no credible cause identified. PD pump. All right. More temperature, there is no reaction, no chemical reaction. No. Less temperature, no credible.
If it is inside.
Less temperature is good for
Chemical.
hypo.
Yeah.